All right, this guy just wants to be on the shame. All right, here you go. Here you go. Shameless you go, Sebastian. Congratulations. Hey, Selen. I stumbled across a rumor while doing research, and I was respectfully wondering if you confirm or deny it. Is it true that dragons only sneeze while they're horny? No. Cause damn, those Alira sneezing compilations feels different now. So I hope not. I hope not, guys. Also, I don't think I've ever sneezed on stream too. So there's that. So there's that too. I'm too busy gaming, guys. Gaming priorities. Oh my gosh, that just reminded me of how like Pomu tweeted at me and was like, I don't know what she wanted to do, and I was like, I'm busy playing Blood Hunt right now. I was like, this isn't what I meant. I'm like, sorry, man. Gotta get those dubs in Blood Hunt. Gotta get those dubs. I have other priorities right now, guys. I have other priorities here. I gotta get that dub.